Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new Panda film tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to get a bouncing jelly-like effect on your moving objects in After Effects. So before we get started, here is an example of what we will be making in this tutorial. A simple yet effective bouncing effect. So without further ado, let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is turn on our action safe grid. Then we're going to go and choose an ellipse tool, hold Ctrl and Shift and drag out to make a perfect circle. Once done, rename this to ball. So now I'm just going to add a bit of text to make it a little bit more interesting. So I'm going to type in bounce. Then I'm going to select the layer and hit Ctrl and Home to center it within the frame. I'm just going to make the text slightly bigger to fill out the circle a little bit more. So now you can turn off the title Action Safe Grid. And now I'm going to make a new composition. I'm going to call this ball layer, and I'm just going to leave all the settings the same. And now we're going to select bounce and ball, we're going to cut it and then paste it within our new composition. Now if we go back and drag our composition back into our original, you can see we've copied and pasted the ball into just one layer rather than two. So now is where the fun begins. We can open up scale by hitting S on the keyboard and making it 20%. Once done, hit P on the keyboard to open up the position, then go to the 5th frame and make a new keyframe. Then hit Ctrl right and then Ctrl Home, which will center it and automatically make a new keyframe. Now hit Ctrl right again, hit Shift down once. Ctrl right again, hit Shift up twice. And then Ctrl right one more time and hit down once. Now with the last keyframe, drag it out so it comes to a softer landing. Now we're going to do the similar thing for scale. So if you go ahead and hit S and make a keyframe on the 10th frame, hit Ctrl right and change the percentage to 110. Hit Ctrl right again and change the percentage to 90%. Go to the next frame with 110% and then go 2 frames ahead and make it 100%. Now we're going to select that ball there and hit U, and select all of our keyframes that we've made and hit F9, which will turn them all into easy ease keyframes. Now we're going to enable motion blur, which is just going to add some movement to our project. I'm going to RAM preview this so we can see what we've made. So now with a little bit of patience and some fine tuning, you can make this effect really stand out on its own. So thanks for watching this tutorial guys, and I should see you next week.